Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Thank you so much for the subscriptions, the likes. Oh my God, 200 already. I'm so grateful. Thank you. God bless you and keep the subscriptions coming. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so after watching this video and share it to your friends and family, because trust me, it will be of great help. And if you have subscribed, kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. Let's prepare some Kokonte, also known as Chris Brown. You know, it's called Chris Brown because of sometimes the color. Kokonte is a super dish because it has an advantage over fufu and bamboo. Yes. So this is my basic ingredients. That's what I'm going to use. This is Kokonte, also known as cassava flour. Yeah, it's derived from the cassava. Kokonte is basically enjoyed by the Ghans and the Akans and even some of the Ewees in Ghana and in Togo. Please join me to the end and see how I prepare my own. It's very simple and it's easy, and trust me, you will love it and prepare it over and over and over and over. So this is 1 cup. It's just for 1 serving. I mean, just 1 person. So first and foremost, I will sieve the cassava flour. You can choose not to sieve it, but sometimes it's better. I prefer to sieve it so that if there are any unwanted particles, it will come out. So you see the end results. You see there are some particles like the cassava stuff. Yeah. So when you see that, this is what you get, and then so this will be the chaff. So you just throw it away. So after sieving it, I'll just add some water to it, and then I'll mix it like I'm doing for the bamboo. Yeah. Just warm water or cold water. It shouldn't be boiled water. Either than that, it will become lumpy. So you can see it's ready. It's been mixed just like the bamboo. Yeah, this is the consistency I want. So no adding of salt. We don't add salt to it. So straight to the fire. So you stir it gently and gradually, just like we are doing for fufu or bamboo. Yeah, either than that, it will become lumpy. Somebody will say you drive it. Then we back. So you see, there's no lumpiness. Okay, so now I add a little water. It's a bit not too soft, a bit hard, so I'll add some water to it and then allow it to boil for a while. It's so papa. In fact, I ate the so you can see once I come a new lamps. The color is nice and it's very soft, just like fufu. So yellow. So this is our Kokonte lakewa, aka Chris Brown. Or face the wall. Yes, so this is a very simple. I just took about 10 minutes to do it. So please try it at home and send me your comments. You can like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Tasty and fresh, we are touching lives with tasty meals. Tasty and fresh, we are igniting your appetite.